Mima and Zyaba are best friends.
Hello everyone, I am Mima and this is Zyaba. Welcome to our show. Guys, today we have a special surprise for you. Do you see this empty chair? It's for a guest. And Zyaba, do you know who may come to us today? Let's call our guest. Our guest, please come in.
Hello!
Oh my goodness! Who is it?
Well, I'm Parrot. And look at these parrots. We're gonna make these today.
Really? These parrots? And you will teach us how to make this beautiful, is it parrot puppets or what is it?
It's just parrot paper.
Paper parrots? And how to play with them?
Oh, actually they can be puppets like this.
Alright, let's surprise Zyaba. Tickle, tickle, tickle. That is so fun. Let's show our audience how to make these parrots. And can you show us your wings? That's beautiful. Okay, let's begin. Can you show us what supplies we need for this project?
We need feathers,
Okay.
colored paper,
Construction paper, scissors.
stencils,
Okay.
scissors, pencils.
Do we need googly eyes?
Yep, just in case. We want to put one like this and a feather candy.
Okay. And popsicle sticks?
Yep, definitely popsicles.
Will we need a glue?
Yep,
So we'll need glue as well.
and permanent marker. If you wanted to make an eye with permanent marker.
Oh, perfect. Okay. Let's begin. Let's make our stencils first. Okay. And can we trace the wing? Perfect. I can help cutting the stencil.
Okay.
And perhaps you can show us next steps.
Okay.
Our stencils are ready. What do we do next? Do we need construction paper?
So let's get some colored paper.
Okay. What colors do you recommend?
One that we haven't done, and that is light blue. We had dark blue, so let's do light.
Okay, excellent. Will the body be light blue?
Yes.
Okay. What do I do next? Teach me.
We need to trace the parrot.
And cut this parrot.
Yep.
What's next?
Now we do the wings.
Okay, what color should the wing be?
Purple.
What do I do next? Do I need to trace the wing?
Yep. And then you'll cut it out.
And now we need our glue, right? This is a pretty strong glue. You can use any school glue, I guess. But this is what we had at our home.
Now let's cut out the beak.
Okay, what color should our beak be?
I guess we'll try yellow.
Yellow? Okay. Does it look right?
Yep. Now we can make the eye. Or maybe we can put a googly eye.
Okay, I like that idea. We have colored googly eyes. What color should we choose? Yellow? Pink? Like this? Alright.
It's ready for the popsicle.
Okay. Can you help me glue it?
Well, I guess I'll try.
Let's see. Should we make one more? Do I need to use stencils?
We need to choose a color. And we are going to use the stencils.
Okay. What color?
Orange.
Okay. What's this?
Green.
Green? Green leaf? Okay. Is this one good?
Yeah.
All right. Can you help me trace? Excellent. Is it time to cut it now?
Yeah. Now we will cut out the beak.
The beak. What color? We have black paper. Okay, how to make the beak? Do I need to trace it like this?
Yes.
Okay. Next.
Now we glue it on there.
All right. Perfect. Let's move it right here. What's next?
A popsicle stick.
The popsicle stick. All right. What feathers would you like to use?
Green.
Green.
Or orange.
What about both? Yes, it could be both.
So I guess we'll do both.
Excellent! And one final touch.
The eye.
That's right! What should we do for the eyes?
We should put the permanent marker on here so it doesn't get on the table.
All right, excellent.
Should it be a boy or a girl?
Let's do a girl. With eyelashes, that's right.
Or a smile?
Yes. Let's show all of them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 parrots? That is so cool. Yeah, but what do you think? It seems that she likes them too. Thank you for watching our show. See you next time. Bye.